What's up, everybody? Today is a very special day here in Thailand. It is the Thai New Year and I am at the Songkran Fest. The streets are decorated with banners all over the place to celebrate Songkran. It's a very colorful Thai New Year, and I understand that people wear these Hawaiian shirts all over the place. Sorry guys, I don't have any Hawaiian shirts on me. And yeah, just check out the streets. Let me give you a little background. There hasn't been a Songkran festival in 2 years because of COVID. I guess this would make 3. So this year they did it, but they said it was going to be dry. And what that means that this festival is normally like, everybody has like a water gun, and pretty much anywhere you go within the festival, you can get shot with water. It sounds like an awesome time, but they said this year, guys, no water. They've got some stages, so I'm hoping maybe we'll get to hear some live music. I can't understand what they're speaking in Thai, but you know, hopefully we'll get to hear some live music. All right, we're walking up into the festival. What are we going to see here? We got some pagodas. Let's see. I think this is made, yeah, that's made out of sand. Oh, that's really cool. I don't know how they get that to stay like that for the entire festival. Normally Songkran is a 3-day festival, so it kind of had a little bit of a start yesterday, but today is the main day. Wow, look at this one. The detail. Made out of sand. That is nuts.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact. Taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat. Put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag. Cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took the red pill. I know life's short, so I wanna live real. But how's it supposed to? It's a tradition in the morning for the people of Thailand to throw water on the Buddha statues. How's it supposed to feel? Yes, I just got squirted with a water gun as someone was driving by on their motor scooter. And it was just a little bit of water, but it felt so good. It is so hot outside that today I just decided that I'm going to do a back and shoulder massage on a place just right outside of the plaza where the festivities are going on. So for the head, shoulder, and back massage, they still give you these not so fashionable, oversized clothes. I just got splashed by water again. This is great. It's not like I thought it would be, but I guess it's a different year. The locals don't seem to be doing it, but the foreigners do. I found some water guns. How much?
250, sir.
250? Do you have one cheaper?
Cheaper. This one 200.
200? Let me see what I got. I just spent 200 baht on a water gun. That's probably way too much, but I cannot wait to start shooting some people. These kids scared me just a second ago. I'm gonna come over here and get them. Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, no shame, there's no time. Thank you. Hell yeah. What's up? We having a good time. Songkran! Yeah! I never miss that fact. Taking big So to catch you up, it's your tradition here to have a water gun fight, and I have found it. It's small, but I found it and I'm having an absolute blast. This is so much fun. Today I was bound to get soaked, whether it's, hold on, I got some more.
They wanna say my name, but they hold it back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't playing no games, I just do that's fact, and I don't feel no.
I was bound to get wet today, either drowned in sweat or a little bit wet. Oh wow, you got a bucket. Ah!
I've been chasing, I've got visions in my head, like memories after death, to be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seeds as I spread with them.
This is so much fun. The gun has bit the dust, so we're going to the pitcher and we're filling up at the fountain here. I was just stopped. They said, the police officer said that they have a regulation where you can't splash water, so I don't know, I'm gonna go somewhere else and maybe get rid of the water that I have, right?
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch.
Oh my gosh, I don't know if you got that. Someone tried to dump my whole bucket on me. I was gonna go refill at the fountain, but the police is standing there to make sure you don't refill. Go have to find some water somewhere else. Well, that was fun while it lasted. Got wet, it's hot, it feels great out here. So I don't know what else they'll allow us to do, but having a blast. I imagine that this is on a much larger scale than, much smaller scale than normal, that it's much larger scale, probably all throughout the city, but having a blast. You should definitely come April in the 15th, 14th, whatever today is, for Songkran.
Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death, to be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I
am honoring what the officials asked me to do, being that there's no water fight. I did get some water fight in, so that was fun, but people see me carrying a water gun like they're looking at me strange as I'm walking. They're like, oh, you gonna shoot me or not? Anyway, having a blast, but I think I'm gonna go and go to the hotel or the hostel for a little bit and rest, because this heat is crazy in the middle of the day. I was just here the other day. I'm actually walking back to the hostel. This fountain was not here 2 days ago. Check this out. We set it up just for Songkran. We got all the banners all around. And there's nobody here enjoying it. Well, I went back out tonight, couldn't really find anything going on for Songkran, so with that, this video is done. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up down at the bottom and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. I've got a lot more videos coming out from right here in Thailand. I know you're not going to want to miss out, so we'll catch you in the next video.
what I mean, and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took the red pill, I know life's short, so I wanna live real. But how's it supposed to feel?